And is it right that the higher the vaccination rate, for example, in this community, the safer we all are and reaching herd immunity?
Yes.
Absolutely.
And will you just explain what that concept of herd immunity is?
Sure. So usually when we talk about herd immunity, we know when we give vaccines to a large pool of people, some people are not going to have as meaningful of immune response as others. We should, I should alert the public or let you know, a good thing is we know this vaccine actually is very effective. So you should feel good as a consumer. I'm getting the vaccine and I'm going to have meaningful protection. But some vaccines, there is not as much protection for each person. And if they have a compromised immune system, they may not respond to the vaccine as well as me being healthy. And so it takes a whole group of people to get vaccinated to help protect those that may not respond as well to the vaccine. Or we know right now we have a group of people that cannot get the vaccine, those that are under the age of 12. The FDA is still studying younger individuals and whether they can too get the vaccine. So the more of us that are protected against against COVID, the better off we're going to be to protect those that are unable to get the vaccine or didn't quite respond to the vaccine as we hoped to.
One of the things I've been really encouraged by is all of the currently available vaccines appear to be very effective against the variants that we hear about, that the UK, the Brazil, that come to America in different cities, and you see the rise. These vaccines are protecting people against the variants really well. And one of the points I like to make about vaccines is the virus, if I catch COVID, the way it can evolve and change and become a variant is when it spreads to multiple people and can change with its reproduction in multiple people. So when we vaccinate heavily, not only do we herd immune protect, meaning I protect the broader community, because, but I also keep this virus from evolving. I keep it from growing into new variants. Vaccination sort of stops that whole evolution of variants because it can't go from person to person.
And I understand in India right now, where things are just so terrible, one of their greatest threats is not only the prevalence, but these variants that are forming each time, as you say, the virus reproduces. So that's really helpful to understand.